Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about some of very essential and useful, in my idea, most useful applications in French for you. If you are studying French, continue this video. I have very good applications for you. In this application, you can find many conversations, dialects. There's between 2 or 3%, and you can any level you are in French, you can find a conversation that is for your level. And there is great points, good points about this application. I really like it. You can hear the conversations, you can find their transcription, and also you can find the voice of each sentence, each part of a dialogue that it's belongs to a person. Or for example, if you miss a part or a sentence that someone said in the dialogue and you missed it, you mustn't go to listen it from the first. No, you can find the voice of that sentence. It's my idea. It's very useful. It's helped me a lot. And also there is something like a game. When you, for example, exercise a conversation, you can find something in this application that helps you to put the words in a conversation. You know, this application plays the conversation for you and missed some words, and you must type these words. It helps you to test yourself to know, okay, did you hear the words correctly or not. In this application you can find different kinds of movies, short movies, long movies, anything that you want, you can find it with different kinds of genre. There's a lot of movies, there's a lot, hundreds movies. You can find many movies in this application, and also you can watch your favorite movie with subtitles. So you can find the subtitles in Arabic, English, French, Spanish, but the subtitles, they are not, for example, too much. You can watch your movie only in 5 different kinds of languages. There's 5 languages that you can find the subtitle. And in my idea, this application helps you a lot to find your favorite movie. You know, when you search on the Google, for example, you find to some French movies, there isn't very good results for you. You know, you search it, but you can find your favorite movie. But in this application, everything is different. There's a lot of movies. For example, if you watch movies, this application introduces you. There's other movies that has the same genre like that. In my idea, and for me, finding my favorite movie, my favorite French movie in this application, it was easier than searching on Google. Anyone that wants to improve their grammar in French, they must have this application in their phone. In this application, you can find different kinds of exercises for any level that you are. Even you can choose your subject that you want to have an exam, take a test from yourself, and even you can mix the subjects, then take these exercises, take the exam. You know, actually it's not like an exam, it's just some exercises that helps you to improve your grammar. And one of the great points that I really love it about this application is, previously when I have a book, you know, there's many exercises in the book, and when I answer the questions, my books didn't have any explanation for the answers. You know, sometimes the book says, okay, my answer to this question is wrong, and was why I can't use this word, for example, in this situation, why. And always I was searching for teacher, please explain this question for me. But in this application, if you have it, you don't want any teacher, because after you take this exam or answer to these exercises, these applications explain for you why this answer is suitable for this question. This application is again about French dialects and French conversations, but in my idea it has more professional options than French conversation. introduced it before, you know, in this application you can choose your subject. Okay, for example, you say, okay, I want to buy something from grocery store. Okay, it's a conversation for you. It's like a model. I want to dialect when I want to talk with my friends, especially my French friends. It can help you. And after that, when you find your dialogue, you can hear the dialogue, you can read the dialogue because it has its transcription. But one of the great points about this application that I really like it is after you hear each part of the dialogue, you can repeat it in this application, record your voice, and say to you how much did you pronounce these French words correctly. And also you can hear your voice. In my idea, this application helps you a lot to improve your pronunciation. You know, pronounce the French word somehow is a hard, French accent is somehow hard, so this application helps you a lot. Now this video is finished, and if you didn't have any of this application, you must do subscribe my channel because I have new information for you. So like this video and share my YouTube channel, and especially this video for anyone that you know they are studying French, and especially if they are beginner. I know they are searching for great French applications. And don't forget, I always need your help for more videos. Bye!